Don't forget to subscribe, share my channel, let others know that we have a bilingual channel here, English and Spanish, Spanish and English. No olvides suscribirte, déjame un mensaje y comparte mi canal. Déjale saber a la gente que hay un canal bilingüe de español a inglés y de inglés a español. Hi guys, so Cesar Reyes requested Rain by Trueno, but he didn't tell me that there were two, Rain 1 and 2. So I already reacted to Rain 1, now I want to react to Rain 2. And the reason why I do is because I myself like Trueno. Like I said, this is an artist that I discovered because I had somebody asked to react to Nikki Mamichula, and then I listened to Trueno. I liked his voice. I liked his flow. And then he came out with Dance Script, and I reacted to that on my own. Nobody has ever requested Trueno, except for now Cesar Reyes and the few that have requested it. So let's see what this is about. Let's see what Rain 2 was about, because Rain 1 was the bomb. This guy has storytelling skills, man. See what, and the other one was a cartoon. And this is a video. Y volvemos con los japoneses, ¿no? Que les gusta la cosa japonesa. And I'm saying that because of background. Oh, qué lindo. That's so cute. That's the little kid. He's holding to the little kid in him. I'm just following because of Rain 1. That's so cute, though.
Hoy vas a conocerme por dentro, aunque no vas a sentir lo que siento, aunque no me vas a creer si te cuento. Quiero amarte pero no tengo tiempo, ya perdí todo, solo me queda talento. Si no me conoces me presento, solo yo me conozco al 100%. Tengo más problemas que pensamientos, corazón blando pero más frío que el viento. Ni siquiera sé quién soy pero tengo esta vista gira fama y eventos. Todavía no sé si lo merezco, pero le dije a mi vieja que nos vamos si te quiero, por eso me estoy rompiendo lo amo por esto. Por dentro caliente, por fuera fresco.
This looks like more like a follow-up of background. Era background. Hay una japonesa también que lo corta. Y esto está supuesto a ser la continuación de Rain 1. Que Rain 1, he talks about how, that's why I said that, you know, about the little kid, him holding the little kid, that I believe is him because of the hat he wears. Because he said that he started out 14. I mean, he was rapping since he was a baby. This kid has talent. And when he started rapping, at 14, when he came out, he didn't receive what he expected, the love that he was expecting. A lot of people started hating on him. So he took that to heart because he was a kid and he was about to quit. So now he's saying, you know, hey, if you don't know me, I'm going to introduce myself. I'm Trueno, and this is who I am. So that cut means that he's opening his guts. He's spilling out his gut. He's opening his true self. Y tiene un flow del diablo.
Hoy vas a conocerme por dentro, aunque no vas a sentir lo que siento, aunque no me vas a creer si te cuento. Quiero amarte pero no tengo tiempo, ya perdí todo, solo me queda talento. Si no me conoces me presento, solo yo me conozco al 100%. Tengo más problemas que pensamientos, corazón blando pero más frío que el viento. Ni siquiera sé quién soy pero tengo esta vista gira fama y eventos. Todavía no sé si lo merezco, pero le dije a mi vieja que nos vamos si te quiero, por eso me estoy rompiendo lo amo por esto. Por dentro caliente, por fuera fresco. Cuando no me buscan desaparezco, ya. Estoy en mi puesto. Aunque no tenga te presto, ya. Soy perfil bajo y modesto. Aunque muchos hablen mierda como si me conocieran, porque no saben que nadie es perfecto. Yo ni siquiera lo intento. No me sirven tus palabras de aliento. Solo quiero vivir lento, ya. Vivo el momento.
That was a bar right there. Your words of encouragement are no good to me. And then he's talking about, like I said, I present myself. I want to open my guts to you. I want to tell you who I am. You know, I have more problems than thoughts. And I got nothing but talent. And I told the reason why I keep doing this is because I promised my mom when we're getting out of the ghetto. If there any teenager, female, alguna niña, adolescente que se encuentre con mi canal, if you find my channel and you see this reaction y ven esta reacción, créanme que el hombre que se lleva bien con su mamá va a tener más porcentaje alto de hacerla feliz a ustedes. If you meet a man who gets along with their mom, you're going to have a higher chance of being happy because if he respects and treats his mom well, he's going to respect and treat you well. Si él respeta y trata bien a su mamá, las chances de que te va a tratar bien a ti van a ser más grandes. Ahora, claro, también puede ser un hijo de mamá que quiere que te lo haga todo con la mamá. That's a problem. It could be the opposite too. I'm realistic. Just word of wisdom. But let's keep with Trueno.
Sin ver al resto, simple y honesto, ya. Levanto la copa, brindo por mi viejo, mi único maestro, ya. No soy muy demostrativo, así que valora si me muestro, my. Si estabas apuntando atrás de mi espalda, entonces let's go. Si estabas lista para hablar de mí, que sea en mi cara, que en una de esas te entiendo. Si me sacaste todo lo que te di, my, quédate en mi cora, que un muerto va a seguir latiendo. Si estabas lista para hablar de mí, hey, que sea en mi cara, que en una de esas te entiendo. Si me sacaste todo lo que te di, hey, quédate en mi cora, que un muerto va a seguir latiendo. No miento, soy yo, lo siento, ya. No hay tiempo para lo malo, estoy viendo a mi hermano creciendo contento, ya no hay lamentos, de nada si te represento, fuck. Yo solo canto mi vida, no busco salida, ya estoy en el centro. Yo solo quiero vivir el momento, a veces me pierdo pero otra me encuentro. Trueno cantando, Mateo escribiendo, la fama me llama pero no la atiendo. Tengo mi estilo marcado de acento, no sé dónde pero sé que estoy yendo. Buscas el futuro, puro estás viendo, vine pa' quedarme y ya estoy adentro. Dejo mi vida en cada renglón aunque no esté lloviendo. Sueño con millones en el cajón, a punto y acierto. Me llamo y escucha el contestador, no hay money te cuelgo. Ya, si fuera por mí te daría amor, pero no te entiendo. Si te digo que voy a ser rico porque lo presiento, my, yeah. Por mi risa, mi pena, mi esfuerzo, mi noche despierto, yeah. Todos me decían que no serviría el esfuerzo. Y ahora mira dónde estamos, pregúntame si me arrepiento. Si estaba lista para hablar de mí.
Those are bars, man. Bars after bars. I'm not gonna put explosion here like I did with Rain. I didn't put explosion either because it was like the whole fucking song is just bars. And this one it is too. He's talking about he's spilling his guts out, you know. He says he doesn't show much emotions, you know. The chorus is saying, if you're gonna talk behind my back, tell me in the front so I can reply back. Don't talk about me in the back. And if you're gonna take me out of my seat, then go ahead, try it. I want to see that. He's like, you know, I always work hard because my father taught me that, and he's my teacher. Most respect for him. I keep doing this because I dream with having millions in the drawer so that I can help my family, so that I can take my mom out of the ghetto. Like I said, you know, he's really into his mom. Let's go back a little bit. Let's go back. Because his flow.
Que sea en mi cara, que en una de esas te entiendo. Si me sacaste todo lo que te di, hey, quédate en mi cora, que un muerto va a seguir latiendo. No miento, soy yo, lo siento, ya. No hay tiempo para lo malo, estoy viendo a mi hermano creciendo contento.
There's no time for bad things, and I'm not lying. I am happy because I see my younger brother growing up happy.
Ya no hay lamentos, de nada si te represento, fuck. Yo solo canto mi vida, no busco salida, ya estoy en el centro.
There's no laments here, no crying about the past. I just keep going. I just keep doing my thing, so I will not stop.
Yo solo quiero vivir el momento, a veces me
I only want to live the moment. Sometimes I get lost.
Para lo malo, estoy viendo a mi hermano creciendo contento, ya no hay lamentos, de nada si te represento, fuck. Yo solo canto mi vida, no busco salida, ya estoy en el centro.
Yeah, I just sing about my life, and I'm not looking for a way out. I'm in the center. I'm in the center of everything. Like I'll keep going. Nothing's gonna stop me.
Yo solo quiero vivir el momento. A veces me pierdo, pero otra me encuentro. Trueno cantando, Mateo escribiendo. La fama me llama, pero no la atiendo. Tengo
Bars, 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 bars. So he's saying, I only want to live the moment, but sometimes I get lost, but then I find myself. Fame is calling me, but I don't answer to it. I'm like, hold on, because I don't want to get lost in that. I want to create a base. I'm adding that last part, but I don't want to get lost in creating a base. But that's what basically he's saying. Fame is calling him. And it's like, take it easy.
mi estilo marcado de acento. No sé dónde, pero sé que estoy yendo.
Tengo mi estilo marcado de acento. It's true. He has like an accent when he's rap. He says, my style is marked by an accent.
Buscas el futuro, lo estás viendo. Vine pa' quedarme, ya estoy adentro.
Yeah, I'm looking for the future. I came to stay and I'm already inside.
Dejo mi vida en cada renglón, aunque no esté lloviendo.
That's a great bar right there. I leave my life in every bar, in every verse, even if it's not raining. That's the mentioning of raining one, where he says at the end, I'm sorry if I got sentimental, but blame it on the rain.
Sueño con millones en el cajón, apunto y acierto.
Yeah, I dream with millions in the drawer. I aim and I hit. I hit the target.
Me llamo y escucha el contestador, no hay money, te cuelgo.
You call me and the answer machine will, no, you call me and I'll answer it. But if there's no money, I hang up. Again, he's more into the money than to becoming famous. I guess because of his experience when he was 14 years old. And the money's not because he want to be like, oh, I want to have a Lamborghini, I want to have this. He just said, I want to get my mom out of the ghetto. I want to get my family out of the ghetto.
Ya, si fuera por mí te daría amor, pero no te entiendo. Si te digo que voy
If it was up to me, I would give you love, but I don't understand you.
a ser rico porque lo presiento, Mike.
I tell you that I'm going to be rich because I have that feeling. Mom. I'm imagining his mom.
Yeah, por mi risa, mi pena, mi esfuerzo, mi noche despierto, yeah.
Por mi risa, mi pana, mi noche y mi esfuerzo despierto. Because of my laugh, because of my laughters, my friends, the night, I wake up. And my effort, I wake up.
Todos me decían que
In
no
other words, I get out of bed because of my laughter, because of my friends, because of my efforts to make it.
despierto, yeah. Todos me decían que no serviría el esfuerzo. Y ahora mira dónde estamos, pregúntame si me arrepiento.
So everybody was telling me that my efforts were not worth it, that I wasn't going to make it. But look at where I am now and ask me if I regret it. No.
Si estaba lista para hablar de mí. Que sea en mi cara, que en una de esas te entiendo. Si me sacaste todo lo que te di. Quédate en mi cola con muerto, va a seguir latiendo. Si estaba lista para hablar de mí. Que sea en mi cara, que en una de esas te entiendo, Mike. Si me sacaste todo lo que te di. Ya, quédate en la money, que sigo real, no me vendo.
Okay, so then at the end he's saying, keep your money, because I'm going to continue being real. I'm not going to sell myself. Interesting. And then what the heck is this? Pero hay que, please, encontrado, pero hay que buscarlo, encontrarlo, atreverse a las cosas que sí valen. So this is like what? Un mensaje de Yayo. Saying, I guess, either this is lyrics that he was writing, or these are words of encouragement that he wrote to himself when he was a kid. Que sabe usar el atrevimiento para romper su hielo que nos impide ser. Yeah, it seems like it's words. I know I gotta get close to read it. It seems like it's words that he's using, phrases to inspire himself. Okay, so cada uno tiene su propósito. So each one of us has their own purpose. ¿Qué dice aquí? Eso no lo entiendo. Una igual en este viaje. Something about a trip. Pero hay que buscárselo, encontrarlo. But you have to look for it to find it. And you have to dare to find the things that are worth it. Leave your print in this world. Deja tu huella en este mundo. Entre andar que y para qué está hecho. So go and show what you're made of. Que el día que ya no estés sea lo que te mantenga vivo. That the day that you're not here be it that keeps you alive. That the day that is not here, make it, they will keep you alive. What if that is not going to be here? Que el día que ya no estés sea lo que te mantenga vivo. Que el día que ya no estés, so the day that you're not here, let it be that keeps you alive. Y hay que saber usar el atrevimiento para romper su hielo que nos impide ser. So you have to know how to use daring to dare so that you can melt the ice that stops you from being. Deep shit, man, deep. This kid is deep. Well, thank you, César Reyes. Muchas gracias. Espero que lo hayas visto hasta el final y espero que hayas aparecido, porque me lo dejaste una sola vez. And that's the thing. Pero esto es lo que vale la pena. Que alguien pasa por mi canal, me pide algo que es antiguo, que es viejo, porque es un video viejo. Yo reacciono de acuerdo a cómo me lo han pedido y después termino yo siendo la que me gusta. So I enjoy it. Take care. Bye.